The Village Carverau, Natural Tree Stump Removal, a step-by-step guide. To get rid of a tree stump, you have number one, the work intense or expensive option of manually removing them, digging them out, or using big machinery for it. Or you have 12 months to go and let it rot away, speed up the rotting process simply by drilling holes into the tree stump. Just like that. And then you can fill up the holes with Epsom salt and this will speed up the process to rot the stump from the inside within 12 months. And I'm all the time really amazed how fast and easy that works. So you can see this is the tree stump, or the rest after 12 months. I was literally able to kick the bits and pieces of the wood away, and you see there's still some roots on the side, things like that, but the majority of the tree stump is gone.